Welcome! In this professional guide, we'll walk through the correct way to wash a 100% human hair wig. Before water, always detangle using a wide tooth comb from ends up. Holding the base to prevent stress at the parting. Choose a gentle, sulfate-free, pH-balanced shampoo designed for human hair wigs. Use lukewarm or cool water only. Add an appropriate amount of wig shampoo to the basin, gently submerge and pat. Rinse until water runs clear. Do not rub, wring, twist, or use hot water. These damage cuticles and cap elasticity. Apply conditioner to mid-lengths and ends only. Avoiding roots and knots to prevent shedding. Rinse with cool water to help close cuticles and lock in moisture. Blot excess water gently, then air dry on a wig, stand out of direct sunlight. For finishing touch, apply lightweight leave-in or oil on ends only. Never brush while wet. Follow these care steps to keep human hair wigs looking natural, soft, and long-lasting. Don't forget to follow our channel for more professional wig care and manufacturing insights.